Hi friends, in this video I'll be talking about logarithm. So before I start, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please kindly click on the subscription button and don't hesitate to click on the notification button as well. That's the only way you can support this academy. Now suppose we have expression of 16 equals to 2 exponential 4. Right? Now, this expression, I want to write it in another form, right? I can just simply say, I can write it as log of base 2 of 16 is equals to 4. This expression, I can write it as this, and it is equal to this expression, right? So what this actually means is that this expression means log of base 2 of 16 is equal to what? 4. Right? So, and what I want you guys to understand is that the base of the normal expression is taken to be the base of the logarithm as far as logarithm is concerned, right? This 2 is what is taken as what? As the base of 16, which is equal to what? The power of this 2, which is 4. So let's say you are given another one, which is 64 is equal 8 raised power of 2. Now if you look at this now, you simply take this as the base of the logarithm, which is what? Log of base 8, 64. Log base 8 of 64 is equal to what? 2. So this is the power, or you simply say index, right? The index is the answer, right? And also here, which is the base, the normal base is taken to be the what? The base of the logarithm, and you have your 64. So that means log base 8, 64 equals what? 2. Or you simply say log base 8 of 64 is equals to what? 2. Right? So now, let's say we have another expression. Let's say we have something like this, and it's equal, 3 raised power of what? Let me just say 10 raised power of 3, right? So you are going to have this equals to 10 raised power of 3. This expression simply means you are having log of base 10 of 1000 is equal 3. And it is actually true, because if you recall the law of logarithm, which is that's the power rule. This is actually log of base 10, 10 raised power what? This is 3, right? You have 3 here. Then if I should bring the 3 down here, I'm going to have 3 log of what? Of base 10 and 10. Log base 10, 10, whenever you have log of base anything, log of base anything, and also what? Anything, which is what? E. This E represents anything. So here is equals to what? 1. Since I'm having this and this, which are the same here, 10 and 10. So that means my log of base 10 to 10 is actually what? 1. And the answer is simply what? That's 3. So that means whenever you have log of base 10, 1000 is equals to what? Is equals to 3. So we have two types of logarithm. The first logarithm we have is the common logarithm. And also the second one that we have is the natural logarithm. The natural logarithm is simply represented as in, and the normal logarithm is simply represented as id here, or you say ld, and also as ln. And this, people do call this inertia, right? But I don't call it inertia. I simply call this a short form of natural log. Now let's go ahead. Now listen, what is common logarithm? Right? Common logarithm is, as its name implies, it is common. It is common. For example, suppose we have log of what? Of base 10 of 100. This is a common logarithm. Right? A common logarithm is always have a base of 10. So any logarithm that have base of 10, they are known as what? Common logarithm. Any logarithm of base 10, they are known as what? Common logarithm. Then after that, any logarithm that the base can be anything, they are known as what? Natural logarithm. Any logarithm in which the base can be anything, they are known as what? Natural logarithm. You understand that? So, and your natural logarithm is simply represented as what? As ln. Right? So you act like this. While your common logarithm is simply represented as what? As LG. LG here. Right? So that's just it. That's it. So now I'll be solving some questions on that logarithm here. So let's say you have an expression, you have this expression, let's say you have log, you're asked to find log of base 3 and 9. You're asked to find it without even pressing your calculator. This simply means this, this is actually something. You can just say let x equals what? Log of what? Of base 3 and 9, right? So in this case now, you're going to have this towards, you're going to have it towards, this is actually base, right? This is actually the base of the normal expression. You're going to bring this here. You're going to have it towards 3 raised power x, right? Equals what? You're going to have this towards 9, right? You're going to have this to be 9. So you can simply express it as 3 squared, right? So this is 3 raised power x equals what? 3 raised power of 2. Then this cancels. You're going to have your x to be equals what? 2. Now, suppose you're asked to evaluate log of what? Of base 10, then you have what? Your 10 here. So you simply you go ahead and say let y equals what? Log of what? Of base 10 and 10, right? So what you are going to do in this case is that you're going to simply bring this 10 up. You're going to have to go 10 raised power of y equals what? 10 raised power of 1. Then this cancels this. You're going to have your y to be equals what? 1. So let's say you are asked to evaluate another one. Let's say you are asked to evaluate log of what? Of base 3, then 1 divided by what? 81. So this case is actually very simple. You simply go and follow the same procedure. You say let p equals what? Equals to log of base 3, then 1 divided by what? 81. Right? So in this case, what you are going to do is that you bring this 3 up. You are going to have 3 raised power of p equals to what? That's 1 divided by what? 81. Right? So, and this is actually very simple. You can just simply say that this 81, you can express your 81 as 3 exponential 4. Right? So here I'm going to have it what? To be, I'm going to have it to be, that's 3 from here to here. I'm going to have it to be what? To be 3 raised power of p equals what? 1 divided by what? 3 exponential 4. Right? So in this case, I can just go ahead and just say I want to cross multiply. If I cross multiply, I'm going to have 3 exponential p multiplied by 3 exponential 4 equals what? 1. And if you recall, according to your law of indices, whenever you have the same base carrying the power and their whenever you have the same base multiplying each other, you're going to have what? 3 raised power of p plus 4, which is equals to what? Whenever anything is power 0, this is the law of 0 index. So you're going to have what? 3 raised power of 0. So this cancels this, right? So you're going to have this what? To be p plus 4 equals what? 0. Right? So simply you're going to have this what? P equals what? That's minus 4, which is what? The answer. So guys, please, if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to click on the subscription button. Please, that's the only way you can support this academy. Right? And do well to share the video out. And drop any problem you want me to solve under logarithm, indices, or generally algebra. Any problem you want me to solve, drop it in the comment box below. I will reply you immediately and I will release the video. Thanks for watching.